good, ambitious gang? How's everybody doing today, man? Look, I know I've been off for like a week, but so put this on. We're gonna put the seatbelt on today because this Sammy's fucking little beeper thing is woo. We are in the Jeep. We're not in the truck. Y'all see the panoramic. But yeah, man. So this past week has been fucking crazy, y'all. Like when I say crazy, it's been crazy. I've been doing photo shoots on top of photo shoots. I planned the whole Toys for Tots event. I'm actually gonna drop a little clip in the in here. Well, not a little clip. I'm gonna drop like a good, I'd say 15-20 minutes of the video. You know, maybe not even that. But to show y'all how it went. So I want y'all to enjoy that. But today we are headed to the trophy shop again, y'all. So we headed to the trophy shop because a lot of my presidents that's in the group and the founder of our group, of our truck group, wants to get trophies. So I put in the order for it on Monday. Monday. So today is what, Thursday? We're going to go pick them up. And then after that, I don't know. I'll come back to the house, chill out for a little bit. Just kind of just like try to get this thing we call life understood, man. Because it's not bad. My life is good, you know. But for a lot of people that are out there, man, understand life is like, it's life, man. You gotta deal with stuff. You're gonna have to go through things. But at the same time, man, make your life what you want it to be. That's what I want people to know. Make your life until what you want it to be. So if you don't want to go through stress or you don't want to have anxiety, manifest that shit to go away. Like, have a good life, man. Don't stress about little things. Don't put yourself to a complete burden, or like you about to literally fucking have a panic attack about life, dude. Enjoy this shit, man. So when you get to a position where you're like feeling that you're down, you're low or something, man, do something. There's always something that you know for a fact that's gonna make you happy. Whether it's listening to music, playing video games, maybe just going out, you know, just going to go explore life, you know, find little places that you've never been to, like driving around, bro. Do something. But don't let life kick your fucking ass, bro. It's not that deep. It's really not. And I understand that people go through shit, man. Look, me and Sammy we haven't always been fortunate to do the things that we do now. But I worked my ass off to have my wife be able to get in the position that she's in, so she can also help me make my life into what I want it to be. Because what, 4 years ago, it wasn't good. Like, I mean, me and Sammy was going through struggles. We was going through life, you know? But we made it out to what we wanted to be. She wanted to be the biggest manifestation coach on YouTube. What is she now? You could say you could say she's not the biggest, but my wife has grown faster and she gets way more views than any other ones that have more subscribers than her. I'm not sure if there's even any. It might be. But she's made her life into what she wanted it to be. My life is going exactly the way I want it. I have everything that I could possibly want. I have my dream truck that I've always wanted. I'm into a business that I took as a hobby and made it into a business. So, and I'm in one of the biggest fucking truck groups in the world. I get to stay home. I'm 29 years old and I get to stay home and do what I want to do, working for myself. Sammy, same thing. Stay home, do what she wants to do. We can take trips whenever the hell we want. We both have our favorite fucking vehicles, you know? So it's like, we made our lives to what we wanted because we manifested this shit. So, like I said, man, just take life, man, and just enjoy this shit, man. Just, you can't put yourself in a bind or stress yourself out to a point where you're about to have a full-blown panic attack. Like, enjoy life, man. If you're doing something that you don't enjoy, stop doing it. And go do what you want to do. Like, I'm sorry, man. I wish I would have learned this shit a long time ago. So I wish me and Sammy would have got onto this manifesting and everything a long time ago, because we would have been doing this. Right now, we probably be in our dream house. That's what we're working on now. Actually, by next year, that's our main manifestation goal. To be in our own house on our own land. So when we do that, hey, y'all gonna see the video on that too, man. But yeah, I just wanted to chat with y'all, man. Let y'all know, man. Just literally enjoy life, y'all. Don't let it beat your ass. Enjoy the shit. But with that being said, man, I hope y'all enjoy this little vlog. This is literally like a day vlog, you know. Hope y'all enjoy it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and like this video. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button and join the ambitious gang, y'all, because all we doing is going up, y'all. Oh, and a huge shout out to my wife. She got her second channel monetized, y'all. So she has Sammy Ingram and she has Sammy Ingram 2, which is her main vlog. So if you haven't tuned in to that, I am on that one as much as I'm on mine. But if you're looking for some help with manifestation, or even trying to figure out what the hell is manifestation, y'all go check out my wife's first channel. I will link it down below. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoy this vlog. We're headed to the trophy shop right now to pick up some new trophies for the presidents of Florida and Georgia, and for our founder of Dope Illustrations. So, see y'all when we get there. You know. Go. He got second place. For third place audio is number 45.
Okay. What time is it? It's 45.
Yes, sir. Next category is suspension. First place, number 48.
Major, stop. Sit still, baby.
48. What did you?
Oh, that's zero. 48?
Yeah. All right, let's start clapping.
Alright, second place is Logan McVee.
Major, turn around. I don't want you to fall.
Logan McVee. Logan!
Logan got second place as a spin.
Yeah, Logan.
Third place suspension is Lot.
Alright, y'all sit still now.
Alright. Number one in squat is number 14.
Daddy!
14.
Hold on, baby.
Daddy!
He's right there.
Daddy!
Second place in squat is number 50.
There's something right there. Daddy! Daddy!
And third place is number 36.
That's my baby!
Alright, now we're going to do top 15. First is going to be 42.
I'm getting the 42.
Yeah.
A blue. Oh, okay. A blue single cab cat eye.
On the FTS.
On the FTS.
Help me, little dude.
All right, nobody wants it. I'll take it.
I'm gonna get these blue ones. I'm gonna get the white ones. I'm a punch.
I say it again. A single cab cat eye.
I'm getting
Blue.
From the FTS.
That's you? You didn't enter? Sorry, in the section. Hey, you won it anyway. Come on.
Wow. Major, y'all sit still. That's why I said.
Next one is number 51.
Told you his handwriting. 51. Hey, cut that shit out. What kind of shit on?
Man, come on, dog. That's what we doing. Why you ain't getting no trophy anyway? Blake.
Standing down is caught on.
Rosman. Logan Wells.
Nazi.
I'm coming, buddy. Hold on.
Don't steal that.
I see it. In the back, he's coming.
That's a
Number 34. Hey, Keyshawn. 34. Go tell him to turn that shit off, please. Alright, sorry, guys. Okay, you got this, dog. I'll be back. 34? 34? Number 10.
He's coming here.
Look here. He's coming. Bring it on now. Yeah. Yes, sir. Number 1. Grayson. Grayson, where you at, man? Grayson.
I think he's in the truck.
He's getting right now?
He's getting some.
Wow. Children. Wow. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Oh, okay. Michael Foster.
This dude a knee on me.
He didn't mean to.
Well,
Hey man, look, I graduated from West Nassau, dog.
It's okay.
Sorry. Kick me out. Hey.
Hey, Tots, call his name out. Let me see.
But that don't even look like it's real work.
Man, like, where you at, man?
You look.
That's it, Riley, dog. Riley?
I got blue.
Got the Jeep?
Hey, good.
Hey, good.
Yeah. Big curve.
Number 4? Number 13? And last but not least, number 16.
Yeah.
Like I said, man, I appreciate everybody coming out and supporting. Hopefully we'll have another one next year for our 3rd anniversary of Tots. Appreciate y'all. Enjoy it.
Okay. Now where are your damn kids? Devon, can you get me some paper towels or something?
Hey, look at his butter. Look at his butter.
It's a video, but I can screenshot it if you want a picture.
We need that. We need that. Oh, peace and quiet. This is fucking nice.
Yo, so we just picked up the trophies. And now we're about to head back to the house. I don't think I need anything else or want to go anywhere else, to be honest. Okay. But man, the trophies look good, dude. If you guys are in the surrounding area and you want to get some trophies, y'all come over to, what is it called, Meds? Yeah, Meds Framing and Trophies. It's in Yulee, Florida. That's where I go. I love their work. And it was actually on time. It wasn't like it took a long time to get stuff done, which is really good. You know, because I mean, it's trophies, you get what I'm saying? This traffic over here is crazy. Do I need to go to? I don't think so. No, I think I'm good. Let me at least get out here. Oh, there we go. Got a little rugged. But yeah, so we're headed back to the house. Me and my developer for my Grand Theft Auto server are about to get to work. We're trying to figure this thing out, man. So I got my GTA server hacked, which I think I know who it is, but it is what it is. I got a whole new thing. It's gonna be back up and running. So I'm sorry, y'all, if some of y'all got in contact with me asking to, you know, obviously play in it and stuff like that, and you guys weren't able. I had to get some stuff figured out, but I'm headed home to get it, to talk with my developer, and we're gonna get it back up and running hopefully by tonight or tomorrow. Not 100%, so don't quote me on it, but we're gonna try something, you know. Like I said, this was just a small vlog. I'm gonna go back to the house, chill out with the wife, and get our schedules worked out for next week, because I have a photo shoot next week, Tuesday, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so we'll see y'all when we get to the house.